Big dog and little dog going for a walk. Big dog is going for a walk. Little dog is going too. Little dog likes to play in the mud. Big dog likes to eat the mud. Little dog likes to splash in the puddles. Big dog likes to drink the puddles. Big dog and little dog had a fun walk. They are very dirty. It is time to take a bath. Big dog and little dog are in the tub. Now it is time to dry off. Big dog and little dog shake and shake. Big dog and little dog are clean and dry. Now they want to go for another walk.